Hi there. So in the last video I was showing you how to use a Speedfit fitting. There are occasions of course that you'll need to take them off, so let's quickly look at that. So you take a Speedfit fitting. With these you just need to unscrew it and then it's just pull and they come off. So you see that little flexible bit, you're just pulling that in and then they come off. So you take your fitting, just unscrew it, and then you pull it in, and that's it. You just pull it off, as easy as that. Now what you might find is the insert gets stuck in there. You can pull it out with a pair of pliers, or just untwist the whole thing, and that'll pull out. But be careful, you have got sort of washers that have come out of the fitting, which you'll need to go back in if you're going to reuse it. And it's the same for copper pipe. Just loosen it off, pushing that in. So you just push it with your fingers and off it comes. It's quick and easy as that. Love these things. Well, I hope that was useful. See you on the next one. Bye bye. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thanks. See you on the next one.